This one must have just fallen today because the rangers are really good about picking them up. So this must have cracked off today. Did I mention in my last video that it's 30 degrees today? That's why everybody's all dressed up in their cold weather stuff. Here we go. I think we can all make it over this thing. Even Furby. Come on, Furby and Jaja. There they go. Okay, well, here we go. Oh, here's examples of where the trees are falling and they fall into other trees. So I always make sure I go past those ones really quick. Don't want to be hit by one. Anyways, yeah, the forest has just really been devastated by these windstorms. But it's still beautiful here and I still love this trail. This is the, Howard something trail. I forgot the last name of it. Howard, I forget. It's a ranger who croaked. Anyways, here and check out the fungi. Someone even put graffiti in the fungi. Here's some more trees that fell. Oops, almost fell myself. More devastation here. Oh well.